Gary here at Wealth Dynamics. Really quick, I wanted to give you our Blackboard talk today. We're talking about the time value of money. If you missed it on Friday night, I covered a course on how to take your big purchases, your car, your house, vacations, education, these bigger purchases we make, how to actually make those to remake money on them. A lot of times if I make a big purchase, I'm going to be thinking about a couple of things. Number one, I saved up a lot of money. If I made a big purchase like a house or a car, or I went on a trip, or I paid for education, or I did something of that nature, I'm going to feel like I'm behind the eight ball now. I've had that happen before where I took a chunk of money, spent it on something, I had saved it up, I spent it, and it's great that I have that thing now, but now my money is gone. I've almost got to start back over from zero. And so we talked about on Friday on my course how to avoid that. The other thing we talked about was how to continue earning on that money. Okay, if I'm going to buy, let's say I buy something and it cost me 10 grand, how do I still earn the future value of that 10 grand even though I just spent it? Okay, so we have two things I'm going to sketch out here for you. The first one is called present value. Okay, so that's the first thing on our whiteboard, present value. So present value refers to what is my money worth today? Right, so if I have 10 grand in the bank, what is that 10 grand going to do for me today? We also talked about future value, which is what is my money worth in the future? So if I have, let's use that number for just example's sake. If I have $10,000 today, $10,000, that's the present value of my $10,000. I can do $10,000 worth of things with that money today. So the present value equals $10,000. Now, future value, let's say I had this $10,000 invested. Okay, just to make the math easy, let's say I had it invested, right? So if you guys know the rule of 72, you know, if you divide the number 72 by your interest rate, it tells you how quickly your money doubles. Okay, so for example, let me show you on my calculator really quick here. If we're doing the rule of 72 on a purchase and I'm earning, let's say on my 10,000, I'm earning 6%. Get rid of this add here. If I'm earning 6%, 72 divided by 6 tells me that my money will double in 12 years, right? So if